Very good morning, friends. Now we are starting a new series on enchanting Northeast with prayer. This great Buddha monastery, the Jumpa monastery, which is one of the most beautiful incarnations of Lord Buddha. Here we are about the life turn within life, ups and downs, and this also shows us the great wisdom center of Buddhist culture. The foundation stone was laid by the Honorable Dalai Lama Holiness on 1983. Then we have Center for Buddhist Studies. We also have a very beautiful view of the cultural center from the stupa, and you can see the beauty of the stupa. Also we have some of natural plantations. You can see the traditional Northeast plantations. Such beautiful combination of various colors of life. Young boys enjoying also in the background. 5 in number. I don't know the significance of these numbers, but the rotating wheels are considered to be one of the most auspicious things. We can just have rotate and get a feel. And this Dungir Mani was built in the everlasting and loving memory of Sri Tesharin Stashi, who was the founding chairman of Itanagar Buddhist Council. So this is in memory of a person who has created the beautiful this thing. You can have a feel of this greatness of this. We will be covering the Ita Killa today also, which is again one of the most historical Killa, which has the name itself suggests that it is a kilo of bricks, and we have again a very huge tree, and with so many sitting birds and cat also. You can see a beautiful cat, the beautiful cat in the restaurant, and then we have lot many pigeons. And this is basically a recreational center for public. We have restaurants and also some of the herbal medicine center. Again a very big people tree, and we will end our this thing at this people tree by meditating for some time. Om. Om. We are at the historic fort of Ita Nagar, which is the Ita fort considered to be built in the 14th and 15th century. It's a bricks and brick walls constructed, has tremendous opportunity of tourism. The Arunachal Pradesh government has rightly built it as a modern pristine thing, and trying to research more onto it. It has very wide, you can just see the fort's typical bricks, and the edges are so sharp. They have still not deteriorated, and the joints are so good, and without mud, or maybe mud also. It can be mud also. You see the overall moon type structure, the steps, and this is the new constructed from the tourism department, the fort, Ita fort, and see a beautiful view of the Itanagar from this point. Where you see